Very good evening to all. So today we are going to start with the concept of inheritance. It is a very important concept in object-oriented programming. So when we start with the inheritance, it should follow each relationship. And the main another advantage about inheritance is it has core reusability. And when you are going to implement inheritance concepts, we need when we are going to write a program, we need to use some keyword. So the keyword for performing inheritance is extends. So these three factors are very important when you are going to deal with inheritance. Before that, we should have a clear idea about what is the meaning of inheritance. So inheritance is nothing but the inheritance, it performs inheriting some features from existing class. So here with this example, we'll have a parent class. So it may be called as base class or superclass. And likewise for the child class, it may be called as derived class or subclass. So in that, so the parent class has all the features. So from this parent class, the child class inherits some features. So here it follows is a relation. Okay, so this is about the basics of inheritance. So it follows is a relationship, and the main advantage of using inheritance is it follows the code reusability. And when you are going to write any inheritance related programs, in that we are going to use extends. So the inheritance, it is inherits features from existing one or features from another one class. So here the parent class and child class, there is a two class. The child class, the parent class features are inherited to child class. Okay, so the next we need to know what is the importance of inheritance. So importance of inheritance. So we have two different shapes. Without inheritance and with inheritance. Suppose we are going to write application for a banking. So we have different kind of classes. For example, we will have class with housing loan. So it has some 500 lines of code. 500 methods. So it is very easy to understand between with inheritance and without inheritance. And next class is educational loan. So here also it has 500 methods. Okay. So in that, so all these two classes has 500 methods and 500 methods. Totally it has 1000 methods. So for implementing these 1000 methods, it takes around, so approximately we will take 10 hours. So we just, for example, will take it needs 10 hours. But we need to consider some factors. When we are going with the banking applications, so these housing loan and education loan, these are all belongs to banking applications. And all these two methods has some common methods. So to repeatedly performing some methods, we can go with inheritance. So here we are using 500 methods and 500 methods. So in that, so around 400 methods are same. Only we need to implement 200. 100 here we 100 methods. Only 200 methods. So to overcome these kind of type complexity, we can go with inheritance. So in that we use loan, and we are performing housing loan. Here we are using extends. What is our parent class? Loan. So when the common methods present in the loan, so these methods are inherited to subclasses of housing loan and education loan. So here it gives a code reusability. Okay. So out of that, from this video, what is the meaning of inheritance? The inheritance is inheriting some features from one class to another class, and it uses an is a relationship, and it follows a keyword called extends. So for explaining the concept how the inheritance is reusability, so for that without inheritance we may use more number of methods. When we use the same application with the concept of inheritance, we can reduce methods. Okay, so thank you.